Now, coming to you live from a random town in the United States, here's your host, Bullwinkle Fan 2003.
Thanks, Tom, and what's up, Moose lovers? This is Bullwinkle Fan 2003 here once again, and today we're going to be reacting to YTP, Tooby, and the Reboot Flood by Driver 3 Joe. So, let's begin the video, shall we?
It had been raining hard.
Hard.
I was feeling miserable. Toby was feeling miserable. Toby was wet.
Oh, what?
Percy was wet.
What?
Was wet.
What?
Cat was wet.
What?
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Shut up.
Was stopping the water from overflowing.
Driver tells me it may be dangerous.
What? Uh-oh.
The dam's breaking up.
Yes, it is. Yeah, we're definitely fucked.
Toby was halfway across the bridge when disaster struck.
Uh-oh. The dam's about to burst. Ah, crap. No! Are you kidding me? Yes, help us.
Beware the waterfall. Go over that waterfall, and they did. Just then, Percy arrived.
Oh my.
Harold flew over to him.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Yep.
When the floods were
Yeah,
over,
just stay away from that Harold, because that's not the real Harold.
Never mind.
Oh man, what a great video that was. But anyways, that was YTP, Tooby, and the Reboot Flood by Driver 3 Joe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment on what was your favorite part of the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reaction videos from me in the future. But until then, this is Bullwinkle Fan 2003 signing off.